Hello students, today we are going to discuss worksheet 2, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. In this worksheet we will discuss about the area of roads, two crossroads. For example, we have given a field and two crossroads means two roads intersect each other at the mid of this field means midway. We have to find the area. So how we can find? So what we are looking, first road is there A, B, C, D. Second is there E, F, G, H as it is. The area of this road and this road we add, but this common region is counted two times. First time as it is and second time as it is. The one time we have to cut it, we have to subtract it. How we can do that? So firstly we will read the question and then we will solve this. In this question there is given, in the given figure, shows two paths drawn inside a rectangular field 50 meter long and 35 meter wide. The width of each path is 5 meter. We have to find the area of the shaded portion. Shaded portion means this region. So in this case, firstly we are naming these roads, that is A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H are the roads, two roads. For first road, what is the length? The length of this road is this one, which is equal to the length of this field, that is 50 meter. And what is its breadth? The breadth is their width of this road, that is 5 meter. So the length of the road ABCD is there 50 meter and breadth is there 5 meter. Therefore area of this rectangular road ABCD, that is equal to length into breadth, and it is equal to 50 into 5, which is equal to 250 meter square. Now the area of second road, that is EFGH. For this, what is its length? The length of this road becomes the breadth of this field. And what is width of this road? That is 5 meter. So the length of road EFGH is equal to 35 meter. Breadth is there 5 meter. Therefore area of this road is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 175 meter square. Now this common region KLMN counted two times in this case as well as in this case. So we have to find this area of this region and subtract from the sum of these two roads, area of two roads as it is. Now for road KLMN, each side of this square KLMN road, that is 5 meter, because width is there 5 meter. It is in a shape of a square. It is in a shape of a square. Therefore the width of this square, each side of this square is equal to 5 meter, and area becomes 5 into 5, that is side into side, which is equal to 25 meter square. Now area of roads. So area of roads is equal to area of ABCD first road and plus area of second road, that is EFGH, minus area of KLMN, which is common in both the case. So what is there? 250 meter square plus 175 meter square minus 25 meter square. Sum of all these two minus 25, which is equal to 400 meter square. So this is the first part of this question, this exercise. Now second is same as it is, you have to try yourself. But the question number 3 is there. A rectangular plot of land is 300 meter long and 250 meter broad. It has two roads, each 3 meter wide, running midway within it, one parallel to the length and other parallel to the breadth, as it is. It is parallel to the length and this road is parallel to the breadth. Find the area of roads. Also calculate the cost of constructing the road at rupees 50 per meter square. So in this case again we will find the area of first road and then second road. The length of this road becomes 300 meter and width is there 3 meter. So area of this road ABCD is equal to length into breadth, that is 300 into 3, and it is equal to 900 meter square. Now for second road, the length of this second road EFGH becomes the width of this field, that is 250 meter, and what is the breadth of this road? It is 3 meter, which is equal to the width. So the area of this road EFGH becomes 250 into 3, that is 750 meter square. Now this common region which is counted two times for the first case as in this road and also in this road. So we have to subtract one time this region, common region KLMN, having each side is there 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, means it is a square. Now the area of this square KLMN is equal to side into side, that is 3 into 3. It is equal to 9 meter square. Now area of roads becomes equal to area ABCD first road plus area of second road, that is EFGH, minus the area common area of KLMN, that is a square. So it is equal to 900 plus 750 minus 9, which is equal to 1650 minus 9, that is 1641 meter square. Now in this question when we have to find this area of road, so we also find the cost of constructing the road. Now in this question what is given, the cost is given, that is cost of constructing the road of area 1 meter square, that is rupees 50. Therefore the cost of the total area is there 1641 meter square, and its cost becomes equal to 50 into 1641, that is equal to 82,050 rupees. This is question number 3. Now question number 4, last question of this exercise. A rectangular piece of ground is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. It has two roads, each 1 meter wide, running midway as it is. One parallel to the length and other parallel to the breadth. Find the area of roads. In this case we have to find the area of these roads. And second thing, also calculate the area of remaining ground, means this portion, remaining ground. So area, total area of this land minus area of these roads, so that is the area of remaining portion. So how we can find? Firstly we find the area of roads. The first road is there ABCD, having length is there 45 meter, width is there 1 meter. Therefore area of this road becomes, that is 45 length into breadth, that is 45 into 1, it is 45 meter square. And what is the area of second road EFGH? So in this case length is there 30 meter. EFGH, this is the road, having length becomes 30 meter, which is the width of this field. And what is its breadth? Breadth is there the width of this path, that is 1 meter. Therefore area becomes length into breadth, that is 30 into 1, 30 meter square. Now area of this common region KLMN, the having each side is there 1 meter. The area becomes 1 into 1, means side into side. Area of square is equal to side into side, and that is 1 into 1, it is equal to 1 meter square. Therefore area of roads, we know that area of road is there area of first road, that is ABCD, plus area of second road, that is EFGH, and this common region we have to subtract from the sum of these two roads, that is KLMN, it is a square. So 45 plus 30 plus minus 1, that is equal to 75 minus 1, that is there 74 meters square. So it is the answer. So this is the area of roads. Now we have to find the remaining area of ground. The remaining area of ground is equal to the total area of this ground, that is PQRS, minus area of roads. The area of roads we have find that is 74 meter square, and the length of ground and breadth of ground is there 45 and 30, and the product of this is there 1350 meter square, minus this area of road, that is 74 meter square. So when we will subtract, we get 1276 meter square. So this is the area of roads, remaining portion of the ground. Area of remaining ground means without roads. This is question number 4. This is worksheet 2 that we have done today. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.